Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing, it's a collaboration, and I'm really super excited about this one. I'm doing a collaboration with Cindy Art Studio. If you don't know who she is, please go and check her out. I'll put her information in the description below. So you can go straight to her channel and then to her video with this collaboration. She's an amazing artist. She does some really fun, creative pieces that I know you're gonna, you'll like. She's amazing. So please, I'm just making such a mess. As you can see, my hands are filthy. I've been doing a lot of videos. I'm trying to get caught up on a lot of videos I need to have done. Sometimes life gets in the way, you know. But anyway, with that being said, we are doing the 3 do's and 3 don'ts challenge. And, you know, I think every time, I must use gold a lot because every time I do a 3 do's and 3 don'ts, they tell me I can't use gold. So maybe I need to kind of go over my palette a little bit and look for some, but the gold just makes some amazing cells. So anyway, but I'll be fine. So with that being said, my 3 do's. I have to do a straight pour. I have to do a split base, and I need to use black. Part of my base is black, Artist Loft's Acrylic Flow Black. My 3 don'ts. I can't use more than 5 colors. I cannot use any gold color, and I cannot swipe. So with that, I'm using, for my purple here, is Artist Loft's Violet. I'm using Arteza's Pearl Rose Quartz. I am using Soho's Magenta and Deco Arts Metallic Deep Sapphire. And I'm going to just do a ring pour here, or straight pour here in the middle. I want to have some negative space for sure on the outside. I don't know about wherever. We'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to use this little 5-ounce cup with my colors. So I'm going to start here with rose gold. Use a little bit of purple. So my 5 colors are black, purple, the 2 pinks, and the blue. So that's it, 5 colors. I thank everybody for watching. I appreciate you all. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you will like the video, and you will like and subscribe and share. Comment below, please. That helps my channel out tremendously. And if you're new or returning, thank you. I appreciate you all so much. You guys are great supporters of my channel, and I appreciate it so. I am trying to grow my channel, and it's getting there slowly but surely. It's getting there, and I appreciate you guys. If you can watch a little bit more of the video, if not all of the video, that helps my channel tremendously. I cannot get monetized until I have a certain amount of subscribers as well as a certain amount of watch time. So if you can, I would appreciate it. If not, I appreciate what you can watch, because every little bit helps. So, all right, so I'm going to get started here. This is obviously not even, which is okay, because I'm going to tilt anyway. And here we go. So I'm just going to kind of go straight down the middle here. I almost started ringing it. Then I realized I can't do that. Just gonna fix this a little bit there. I'm gonna torch some. I really like this purple and black together. I need to do more split base. I really enjoy them. I love, like I did one a while ago with kind of a lighter purple. And then white, and oh, it's gorgeous. Turned out so gorgeous. I think I did a open cut pour with that one down, and I did like an angle. It turned out beautifully. All right, so now I'm gonna start tilting. I have a lot of paint on here, so look at my table. What a mess. But I'm gonna have some beautiful magnets. And I'm okay with it not being a perfectly round circle. I kind of actually like them when they have a little bit more. I will get rid of this when we're all done here. But I kind of like it when it has a little bit of shape to it. To me, I think that makes it different, and you know, I'm all about being different. If y'all haven't noticed that by now. I can get that to go off down there. There we go. I love those bands on this side here. They're gorgeous. I love this. I love it, love it, love it. I haven't done a straight pour. Well, I actually have done another one because I forgot to do a split base. So that'll be a different video, maybe before this, or no, it'll probably be after. I'm not sure yet. But it's been a while since I've done these pours, so I'm excited. This was a fun, because I haven't done it so long. You know, you kind of get into what you, a certain technique that you're kind of really enjoying, so you kind of get into doing that quite often. And you know, I love me some schmears, but you can do that with pretty much any technique, really. I feel like you can. But please, everybody, go and check out Cindy's channel. Like I said, I will put her information in the description. I thank her so much for doing the collaboration with me. It was really fun. She's a busy, busy lady, so it took us a little while to get this together. And unfortunately, we're not doing premieres, obviously. But that's okay. You don't always have to do that. But I do thank you so much, Cindy. I hopefully, you had a good time with it. I know you're a busy lady, but so I do thank you. And everybody, please put her information, the link to her channel, the link to her video for this collaboration will be in the description below. And please go and check her out if you haven't already, which you probably have, because she's really good. Check her poor little hair. That was a hair. But I love it. Love, love, love it. I'm going to bring you down here for a close-up. This purple is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Not used to not having gold in there. But I like it. I do like it. All right. Let me see. I'll be right back. So Here's a video of the dried results. I love all the banding. The lines are beautiful. So pretty. But I do thank everybody for watching. Thanks again, Cindy, for doing the collaboration. And I can't wait to see yours. Well, by the time this video is posted, I would have seen yours. But thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.